You've probably heard the saying, health is wealth. But do you truly understand what that means? In today's society, where everything seems to revolve around money, work, and fame, we often forget the most important thing, health. The truth is, everything you do in life is meaningless without health. So, why is health so important? Join me on this journey as we uncover why health is the most precious asset we have. First, we must understand that health is not just the absence of illness. Health is the foundation that allows you to pursue all of your goals and passions in life. Imagine you are a successful entrepreneur. You have everything, money, power, and fame. But one day, you discover that you're suffering from a serious illness. All of your important meetings, spontaneous business trips, and the projects you've spent your life building suddenly become meaningless. This was the reality for Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. He had everything anyone could dream of, wealth, fame, and respect. But when he was diagnosed with cancer, he realized that no amount of money could buy him health. His wealth and success were irrelevant in the face of his illness. Health is the foundation that enables you to work, create, and enjoy life. When your body is healthy, you can chase your dreams. But when your health deteriorates, everything around you becomes meaningless. Did you know that physical health and mental well-being are closely connected? A healthy body not only strengthens you physically, but also helps you maintain a stable and positive mindset. Let's talk about Anna, a 30-year-old woman living in New York. She had a stable job and a happy family. However, due to the stress from work, Anna began neglecting her own health. She wasn't exercising, didn't eat well, and gradually, she started to feel exhausted and anxious. This constant stress began to seriously affect her health. Anna's story is a clear example of the connection between physical health and mental well-being. When your body is not healthy, your mind also suffers. If you don't take care of your body, your mental health will gradually deteriorate. Taking care of your health not only helps you stay physically strong, but also ensures a strong and positive mental state. A healthy body and a peaceful mind will help you overcome the challenges life throws at you. You might think that with money, you can buy anything in life. But can you buy health with money? Think about Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. He is one of the wealthiest people in the world, but despite his enormous wealth, no amount of money could protect him from the stress and physical toll of his high-pressure career. Like Steve Jobs, Musk has acknowledged the toll that stress and lack of sleep have on his health, and he has even spoken about how no amount of wealth can reverse these effects. This is a reminder that health cannot be measured in terms of money. Once you lose your health, everything else in life becomes meaningless. You can't enjoy your success or wealth if your body isn't functioning properly. Health is the one thing you cannot buy with money. That's why it's essential to take care of your body right now. Taking care of your health isn't just about treating illness when it strikes. Prevention is key. You know, prevention is always much more effective than treating a disease when it's too late. Let's take John, a 45-year-old man from Chicago. John works in finance and has a busy, demanding career. He neglected his health for years, eating fast food and not exercising regularly. At his annual checkup, his doctor informed him that he had high cholesterol and was at risk for heart disease. Had John paid attention to his health earlier, he could have avoided these issues and lived a healthier life. It's important to develop good habits early on. Eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and getting checkups are all ways to prevent illness and maintain long-term health. Finally, we cannot deny this. Health not only helps you live longer, but also helps you live a more fulfilling life. You may have all the wealth in the world, but without health, you won't be able to enjoy it. Take Tom Hanks, a well-known actor and producer. Despite his fame and fortune, Hanks has been open about the importance of maintaining good health. Recently, he shared his experience with diabetes and how it's affected his daily life. He's learned that no matter how successful or wealthy you are, your health is the most important factor in enjoying life. Tom's story reminds us that health is essential to truly enjoying our success, relationships, and the simple pleasures of life. Health not only determines how long we live, but also determines the quality of life. A healthy body allows you to enjoy life's beautiful moments, from your career to your family and even your personal hobbies. So, do you now understand the value of health? Health is the most precious asset we each possess. It's the foundation for all of our success, happiness, and joy in life. Take care of your health today because you only have one body and one life. Don't wait until you lose your health to realize its value. Live healthily, happily, and fully. Thank you for watching the video. Please share it with others to help them recognize the value of health. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future videos on valuable topics. Thank you for watching the video. Treasure your health, because it is the most precious asset you have in life.